The handling unit directory allows you to define and store your handling units like pallets so they can be retrieved easily while preparing the bill of lading for a shipment. When creating a shipment from scratch or working with an order that isn't accompanied by the handling unit information, the default handling unit in the directory is used to pre-fill the handling unit information for the shipment. To retrieve a handling unit from the directory while preparing a bill of lading, click into the Lookup for Handling Unit field and select it from the list. Or narrow the list by typing the nickname of the handling unit. To edit the handling unit, click its Edit link. To add a handling unit, click on the Add Handling Unit button. Enter or edit the information about the handling unit, and click Save at the bottom of the page. Now you'll be able to retrieve the handling unit the next time you are preparing a bill of lading.